Hey, Heather from Hooked on Pickin here. I have got the results numbers for my OEM Experts box that I got from them, and I'll give you the breakdown now. All right, breakdown of the numbers for my OEM Experts box. This is an entry-level box, cost me $15 and $30 shipping, and the shipping depends on where you live and also your sales rep. So $45 total invested into this box, and I'm going to give you the breakdown of what I think I can make, and this is after fees, not after the cost of purchase, okay? So I'm not taking that $15, $30 shipping off on this. So I'm gonna give you the numbers of what I think I can make total, and then of course I'll have to take the $45 off at the end. So I'll give you the breakdown. So I've got this Motorola standard HDMI cable that I believe after fees will be $4 in my pocket. Lunatic, this is a multi-touch watch band, and if you zoom in there, you can kind of see the watch on the side. I believe I can make about $20 on that. This shower speaker is a slow-moving ASIN, but if I were to sell it, I could sell it merch fulfilled, but I can make about $15 on it, and this will probably just be something I keep because I think it's neat. This X mini speaker is profit of about $7, and that's after fees, not taking off the cost of purchase. Here's some things I've got going for Posh. I have a Poshmark store. Please check it out. But I will probably be putting these US Polo Assassins men's slippers. They are size, it looks like size 7, 8 in men's. And so I'll be putting this on my Posh store. I believe the original price is $26, so I'll be probably pricing it for around $15. And then I have this size men's large dry fit t-shirt, and I believe I can make about $5 on Posh again. I generally stopped putting clothing articles on eBay because they sell much better on Poshmark. It's just much better platform for them. And then I've got this scan disc. This I really liked because I think the sales rank on this was in the 200s. So I know it's going to sell immediately when I get it there. And I can make after fees about $7 on this one. And then I've got this clean protected OtterBox cover that I can make about $15 on. These Russell Performance Boxer Briefs, I will again put on Posh, new. I'll make about $5 on these. And then this is actually, when I looked it up, it's a Spalding autograph football. Not that it's been autographed by somebody, but it's one for handing to players to get autographs. So it's got this nice smooth surface on the side. It's a football that is used to be autographed, and I think I can make about 20 bucks on that one. The Clippers ball, it's not inflated, but it's LA Clippers basketball, and I believe I can make $16 on that one. I've got these OtterBoxes here. Defender series for the iPhone 6 and 6 Plus. This blue one is about $13 after fees. This white one is about $10 after fees. This Dudley softball are sold mostly in packs of 12, but if I was to calculate out the numbers, I'd only make about $2 for it, but I've got a daughter in softball, so this will probably just be kept by me and we'll get to utilize it. And then this other phone case with a stylus will be about $5. And so when I add all of my numbers up from this box from OEM Experts, I come to $159. Oh, before I forget, these 3 items were either not on there, no sales rank. Oh, and I figured out that this little piece is actually the side of this box. But these are not sellable. They either have too high of a sales rank or they're not in the Amazon platform at all. So I may just decide to sell these as a lot or at a garage sale or a flea market or something like that. But my total numbers, excluding these 3 items here, 15 products, is $159. So on average, I'm making about $10 a product. But as you can see, some are worth, $5, some are worth $15, some are worth $20. So a good variety. The condition I really, really like. I think it's going to be great. But if I took my $45 off of the $159, I'm making a little over $100. So I definitely am pleased with this box. I'm excited about it. I'm excited to be able to maybe work with this company to get some more product. And if you have any questions questions, shoot them my way. Let me know. And then also I have a referral code down below. I don't get anything for it other than they know you heard about their company from me and from this YouTube video. So check out the link below and you'll be able to go straight there to OEM Experts. And remember, in the end, Jesus wins. If you are looking for resources to help you resell, just click the eBay link below to purchase my Hooked on Pickin Reseller program, which I created from my 10 years of experience reselling. It has checklist cards for Amazon, eBay, and Goodwill. The Goodwill card has over 80 different tips, items, and strategies listed by department. The eBay card has a 6-step guide for reselling, and the Amazon card has a 6-step guide for reselling. They are fully laminated so they can easily go anywhere without being ruined. These are a great resource to buy. Just click below. Hey, thanks for watching. I hope you learned something. If you'd like to watch more of my videos, just click on them here. And if you'd like to learn more about the reseller world, subscribe to my channel and check out my other videos. Thanks.